Welcome to Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. My name is Chris, and guys, today I have a very, very special truck for you. A 1990 Chevrolet 454 SS truck. And guys, this is not your typical grandpa's 454 truck. This one has had a lot of modifications done to it. As you can see right off the bat, you can see the weld wheels, the cow hood. But guys, this has way much more right underneath the hood there. We'll get to that here in just a second. But let's start up front here. We'll look at the front end here. You got your typical SS grille, your headlights, your marker lights. They're all brand new, very clean, no oxidizing or anything like that. Your bumper's got fresh paint on it. Boy, and the paint on this truck, guys, is really, really nice. As we work our way down the side here, you do have your smoked corner lights here, which I think look really good versus just the bright orange. You do have your weld wheels. You got an 8.5-inch wide wheel up here. You've got a 235 size tire up here up front to keep the traction. You've got some big 6-piston bare brakes with drilled and slotted rotors. The brake kit on this truck alone is probably $5-6 grand. Very expensive brakes on this truck. The wheels just fit this truck perfectly. I actually have these same wheels on my truck. You've got the SS mirrors here as well. Guys, check out the beautiful paint on this truck, and all your gaps here on your doors are nice and even all the way down. The paint is super slick on this truck. It's not wavy down the side. Big issue with these trucks is the pins get worn out on the doors and they sag. This truck has no issues with that. Door shuts great. All your weather stripping and your molding here around the doors and the glass up front is in good condition. As you look at the back of the cab here, the glass is in great condition. You do have some tint, looks like 25 or 35% tint. As we look our way down here on down the side of the bed here, we'll open up the gas cap. Look how nice and clean it is in there. But guys, overall, whoever did the paint and body on this truck did an excellent job on it. It's nice and straight, looks really, really good. You've got your 454 SS emblem back here on the back. This truck does not have the SS 454 engine in it underneath the hood anymore. We'll get to that here in just a second. But as we work our way around the back side of the truck here, you do have a nice roll pan. You've got your Chevrolet decal here on the back of the truck. Overall, just really, really nice. You have a nice bed liner back here to protect, so when you go to the car shows or if you want to go to Home Depot, you can still put stuff back here and you're not worried about scratching the paint on the bed. So it definitely gives you multi-purpose there for this truck. But with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and work our way back up front and let's check out the engine. All right, guys, check out the 6-liter underneath the hood here. It's an LY6. It's been taken apart, all new seals. The rings have been gapped for the turbo. So the LY6 is actually a really good engine for boost applications. It's got really good heads. It's the 317 casting heads, so they flow really well. Got a big turbo under here. Everything's been painted. You got 80-pound injectors, so plenty of fuel. You got dual Walboro pumps. So everything on this truck was professionally done by a shop up in Tennessee. I don't remember the name of the shop off the top of my head, but if you want all the specs on this engine and all the things, I've got it all listed on our website at collectiblemotorcarofatlanta.com. But guys, this thing is one beast of an engine. It's making about 750 wheel horsepower. It also has a flex fuel unit on it, so you can run 93 or E85, and the computer handles it all. So if you're gonna go on a road trip and you don't wanna worry about putting E85 in it, you can just put 93 in it and the computer does everything for you. This truck has the Holley Terminator system on it, so it's all tuned, it handles all that for you, but overall just a really great system here, a kick-ass motor with plenty of horsepower, and guys, this truck is just super, super beautiful. But with that being said, let's go ahead and check out this awesome interior. All right, guys, check out this beautiful red interior that these trucks are famous for. You've got the bucket seats, the center console, and I also wanted to mention these are the original SS seats in here, and they're in great condition. Minimal wear, a little bit of wear, but nothing much. The passenger seat looks excellent. Driver's seat's got a little bit of wear on the bolster, but nothing major. You've got your factory steering wheel here. Your dash is in great condition. Another thing with these trucks, the dashes are notorious for cracking. This one has no cracks in it that I can visually see. You do have some Dakota digital gauges. All the gauges do work. Your fuel, your temp, your oil pressure, all that works. You do have 3 pods here. One is your boost gauge, your air to fuel ratio to make sure you're not running lean, and then you got your fuel pressure gauge here. But overall, really nice tilt wheel, so you can get that perfect driving position that you like. You do have power locks and power windows. Another thing that we personally added was this Boss radio. Super nice radio. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android audio. Sorry, I can't speak. So you can connect your phone here. You can pull up your Google Maps. So when you're going on those road trips or the power tour, you can know exactly where you're going. But overall, guys, the interior is really nice. Headliner's in good condition. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get to the drive part. All right, guys, we're now out cruising in this beautiful 454 SS truck, guys. And let me tell you, this is one nice truck. Whoever did the tuning on it did an excellent job. The transmission shifts perfect. When you just want to cruise it, you can cruise it. But when you want to get on it, let me tell you, you can get on it. God dang, man. God, that is an awesome feeling, guys. The turbo is amazing on this truck. It's got plenty of power. Didn't even blow the tires off there, as you can tell. The wheels on this truck are really good. They hook up very well. But like I said, you don't have to drive the truck like this or like that. You can just cruise it like I'm doing right now, and the truck drives like a stock truck. You really can't even tell. It's got great drivability. I just want to get that across, because a lot of people think when you do all this stuff, you can't cruise them. And this truck, you can just cruise and drive it like normal, but when you really want to get the power, you can put it to the floor and this thing will eat. But like I said, guys, overall, just a great truck. The steering's really nice on it. It's very reactive. Handles very good. It's not super bumpy. Just a great truck, guys. But what I really want to show you is the suspension on this truck. So let's get it back to the shop and get it up on the lift so I can show you all the nice stuff underneath. All right, guys, we got the truck up on the lift. We'll start up here at the cross member here. As you can see the big tubular A-arms here. These are stone fab control arms. You've got RodTech coilovers. You've got your Big Bear brakes, as you can see. You've got some shorty headers here. They're Texas Speed brand. You've got 3-inch stainless exhaust. It's Stainless Bros brand exhaust. Overall, very nice. You've got your 4L80 transmission here that can hold all that boost. As we work our way back here, you do have a 4-link rear suspension setup here. It really adds a lot of strength to the rear end. You do have a 14-bolt rear end. That's one benefit to the SS trucks. It did come with a really strong rear end. But guys, overall, this truck is amazing. And I would say, if you are interested in this truck, give us a call. But this one is already sold. Trucks like this do not last. So if you see other trucks like this on our website, do not hesitate, because we do move them quick. But guys, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you on the next one.